Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are going to be making a wonderful phone case sticker. I went ahead and used a really fun font and just typed up "You're Fabulous." And I will of course have the link to the design in the description below. Once I liked the spacing and everything, I went ahead and clicked Make It, lined up good, and click Continue. After everything was all cut out, I went ahead and laid it down. And it was pretty easy to weed. I did, however, do what I call reverse weeding instead of using the transfer tape. And that was simply because of the texture of the phone case. It did not like that transfer paper, or at least it wouldn't give the vinyl a chance of adhering. So to give it the best chance, that's why I did the reverse weeding. The phone case turned out fabulous, and if you want to make this at home, I went ahead and put a link to the design in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and as always, it has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.